The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is Thursday, March 20, and our gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 16, verses 19 to 31. Jesus told the story about Lazarus, a poor man, and a rich man who was unnamed, and both of them died. And the rich man went to Hades, and the poor man went to heaven together with Abraham. And the story was about how the Lord was trying to tell them that if you do not love your brothers and sisters and do not do something good to them, you will end up being in Hades, or in our common language today, in hell. Today, my dear sisters and brothers, the reminder for us is it's not about not doing bad, but it's all about not doing good. If we look at the story, the rich man actually allowed the man to be at the door of his house. In fact, the poor man befriended even the dog of the rich man. But come to think of it, he was actually good because he allowed the poor man to be there in front of his house. Who among you would do that? I bet all of us would always say, "Oh, get away from me. Get away, far away from my house." But the rich man just allowed him to be there. And the proof was the poor man befriending the dog of the rich man. But the problem was, yes, he did not something bad on the man, but he didn't do something good. It's all about the sin of omission. That's the problem with many of us today. We omitted something good that we ought to do. Sometimes we feel like, I'm okay, I'm all right because I don't have any sin at all. I do not have anything that would make me feel bad. But the problem is, have we done something good? So today, in this season of Lent, the invitation for us is not just to avoid doing sin, but the invitation is for us to do acts of charity. Let us be proactive in helping our brothers and sisters. Isn't it the three pillars of Lent are prayer, fasting, and alms giving? You may be prayerful. You may have your own fasting and abstinence. But if we do not have a heart for the poor, and if we will not do something good for others, especially those who need our help, it will not be enough for us to enter God's kingdom. So my dear friends, let us be Jesus, who will actually stop and do something positively for our brothers and sisters who need our time, who need our help, and who need our presence. God bless.